Good morning, guys. Just arrived to Jason's. Everyone's busy working. Mayang buntag.
Yes, my buntag. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
All right.
Good, all right.
So this is the screen that I got yesterday.
Yes. This is your screen that, that you buy.
Nice build work. I like
Yes.
that. All right, let's go inside. Hey, bro.
Bro.
Hey, bro.
Good morning, bro.
Good morning. Looking good, man. Good work in here. Good morning, Sepring. So Junior's preparing for the electric. All right. I'll be back later with some screws.
Yes.
Later, guys. All right, so this is kind of like my morning routine. I come here in the morning and then they tell me what they need, and then I go back to the store and get the supplies. So I'm gonna go there now and I'll come back. So I'm at the store now. Just picked up some screws. Here's the receipt. Then I'll head back to Jason's. This roll. So this rock and stone up here is what's going to be used for the finishing, the final finishing touches for the walls, which I'll walk up here and show you what Jason's doing. So this is from the road, then Jason puts it up here and then screens it out to get the big pieces out.
Yes, like this. Stone.
Yeah.
Just keep it.
And he shakes it in there.
Shake. Akanindot sa panahon diri sa samang Kandung kaayo Just makes laughing makes
laughing and working, yeah.
Makes a joke.
Makes the day go by
Yes.
quicker
Yes,
and happier.
or not tired.
Yes.
Yes, that's cool.
That's a good trick.
Yes, that's good trick.
So this fine sand is going to be eventually used for the walls in here, which Raymond is working on here, but eventually he'll put it on here to make it more smooth.
Tinangkong.
All right.
Tinangkong. That is the tinangkong leaf. I'll put the tinangkong.
We haven't tried cooking that yet.
So here's some of the kamote there, and then there's what Jason's getting today. And there's something similar to this?
Yeah, tangkong.
Tangkong?
Tinangkong.
Okay.
Tangkong is
That's a tongue twister.
Yeah, tangkong is the same taste with this. The only difference is that tangkong has a wide or big leaves.
Leaves,
And
okay.
this one is small version.
Okay.
So this is tinangkong and the other one is tangkong.
And you eat the leaf, not the stem? Including, alright.
Soft.
So when you're cooking this, it may look like we have a lot, but once you cook it, it really shrinks. So you do want to make sure you get plenty.
Kaniro di gini hurot to. Di Sepring na kaona. Every minute I was singing of the
Really
day.
need to feed him.
Dream of you in a moment, special way. You beside me all the... busog na ko. Stop cooking.
He really is singing non-stop. This is real life. He is non-stop
Yes.
singing. So we're just breaking these off, little stems, and then just throwing these out.
Yes,
Alright.
steam. That's the life of the bukid. Taga bukid.
Tababuki.
Taga bukid. Kami taga bukid mi nama mi nama mi puyo diri sa bukid.
And what does that mean? Just life of the province?
Yes.
Okay.
The mountain.
In the mountain. All right. Okay.
But it's not Aita Cebuano.
Okay.
Aita is ipuyo sa bukid.
Tribe.
It's a tribe.
Yes.
How many different languages are there in the Philippines? Like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds?
Daghang tanong language no? Ilonggo, Cebuano, Muslim,
Tagalog.
Tagalog,
Waray.
Ilocano, Waray, Pampangueño. Daghan kayo.
Bisaya.
Sa lahat.
Many. Yeah.
Mini. Finish.
So the goats can eat that,
Yes.
and here's the finish.
Okay po that. Oo, that. I'm requesting here to cook.
All right. Does he
this is our
accept?
Chief cook.
Chef. All right.
Chief, chief cook, kumain ng kamay. Eating my First. Bantay bitaw.
Kaingon mo din akong luto, Sepring na lang.
He said if you try his food that he cooked, maybe we will suggest all the time that he will be the one to cook.
All right. Sounds good.
What's that? The name? What's that the name?
Bombay.
Bombay. Bombay is same name of Indian. Indian came here. You look some Indian came here. Filipino said Indian Bombay. Bombay Indian.
Cool.
Indian people Bombay.
Interesting. All right.
They
Bombay.
eat like that.
But Indian eat
Raw.
Eat them raw. Wow. My
Yes.
grandpa used to do that. Onion and garlic, both. He'd eat raw.
Yes.
Yeah. You could smell them from across the room. But it's supposed to be really healthy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, really healthy. Lots of
My
health
favorite
benefits.
is onion and garlic,
Yeah.
but in a cook it or with vinegar.
Put water to wash. Pangako hindi hahagkan sa isang kastilyong buhangin.
Okay.
All right.
I will put banana leaves in here because she exposed in sunlight.
That's very kind of you.
As I'm assistant, I'm here assistant. Oh, assistant. You're the chief cook of Chowking or Jollibee?
Chowking has
Chowking or Jollibee?
Chowking has ingredients like that.
Like this, really?
The chow pan.
Alright, I'll have to try it next time I'm there to see if I can recognize it.
Gatong puti, pati.
Nindot yun natin assistant ha? Nice!
Oh, matisara.
Sarap.
Ito yung sinagamag paratang patisara. Ito yung sinagamag.
Tinangkong ala Sepring.
Kita to si...
So Junior just got back. They just ate. We offered them some, but they said they're full already.
Yes.
But here's the final outcome.
This the tinangkong.
That looks delicious, bro.
Yes.
Nice.
Nice.
Doon.
Tara. Bahog.
Tara. Tara ang paborito.
Nice.
Kung daghan mo kasi vitamins mo
Pwede
kuha na
buwan.
to ani.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Ana lang tiya mga pa.
There's a lot of vitamins keep.
Yeah.
From this.
Vitamins?
Oh,
Tinangkong.
yes, tinangkong.
Mita na siya.
Yeah, wait. Kuha man ta native man ta dre, native in the Philippines. Kuha man tayo kuha.
Very good. You do need to find a lot though, because look how much it does shrink. Pretty good?
I'm present when eating time. Chelsea has her own plate.
Yeah, plate. Chelsea, your plate, because our plate in our house no wash.
That's what makes banana leaves so perfect. You just get them, use them, and then throw them out.
Yeah.
No need to wash or do dishes. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion, a little bit of everything. Yeah, I'll leave that for you.
Wow! Oh! Nice! Ah!
So good, bro.
Yes!
Very good. Good job. That's good.
Thank you.
Just from the yard.
Yeah. This is all just in the backyard. So Sepring is finished with the roof for today. So Sepring and Raymond are working on the finishing. So the inside should go pretty quickly now.
Parpardi.
guys, so another day finished. I'll just do a little circle. All right, so the doors did come in earlier today. So there's two different sizes. The smaller one will go there, and then we have a bigger one for there. And then Sepring's gonna make another list to get for the ceiling, and then to protect out here. So he'll make a little top up there. So I guess that's for today, and then tomorrow's another day, so we'll just come back here tomorrow, and hopefully by tomorrow they can maybe finish the walls inside, and then soon probably start the outside. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This house is coming along, and hopefully we can get it done in a few weeks, so we'll see. Here's one look outside. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.